morning everyone. I am Afrin Momin. I welcome you to the English class for 7th standard. Today I am going to teach the first lesson, that is healthy life. What do you mean by healthy life? What is healthy life? So is our modern era, is our modern days, so are they healthy? Do we lead a life which is full of health? Yes, we don't lead a life which is full of health. Why we don't lead a life which is full of health? So here there is a story, an imaginary story we can say, written by Pedro Pablo. So he gives a short story regarding children, and he says that how our taste so it changes from ancient day to modern day. How we brought some changes in food, how we brought changes in fruits. So day to day life it is described in this lesson. So it is a very interesting story. Let us know the story. Before going to start that lesson, let us know about the healthy life. The healthy life, it is written by Pedro Pablo Scarston. So the author, the writer of the lesson is Pedro Pablo Scarston. And here are some new words. New words: healthy, good and strong health. Varieties, different. Exercises, activity. Leaping, to jump or hop. Creatures, living things. Eventually, finally. So these are the new words in this lesson. Let us start the lesson. Healthy life. Pedro Pablo Scarston. Many years ago, everyone was strong and healthy. They ate varieties of food and loved fruits and vegetables. They took daily exercises and enjoyed walking, running, playing and leaping about. The earth was the healthiest place you could imagine, and it was clear that both adults and children were full of joy and were in good moods. So here in the first paragraph, author Pedro, he describes how there is a difference between ancient days and modern days. How earlier people used to eat vegetables and fruits, and how nowadays it is changed. Many years ago, everyone was strong and healthy. See, he is describing us a story, he is telling us a story. Many years ago, in olden days, in ancient time, so people were strong and healthy. They ate varieties of food and loved fruits and vegetables. So olden people, ancient people, they loved to eat food. They loved to eat vegetables and fruits. They took daily exercises and enjoyed walking, running, playing and leaping about. So here the ancient people, many years ago, people used to love fruits, eat fruits and vegetables. They used to do exercises, running, walking, leaping about, everything. But nowadays what happens means, you eat, in modern days what do? You eat fruits and vegetables selectedly. Whatever the vegetable, whatever the fruit you like, you eat that only. You don't eat all the fruits, all the vegetables. So you have your own taste. Why you have a taste? It is described further in the lesson. And nowadays what happens means, walking, running, playing, so you don't like. Earlier people used to walk, people used to run, people used to play. But nowadays what happens? You will not do that. The earth was the healthiest place you could imagine, and it was clear that both adults and children were full of joy and were in good moods. So we can say that earth is the healthiest place, and people, either it may be children or young one or old people, so everyone loved to play, everyone loved life, everyone lead a life which is full of happiness, which is full of joy and which is full of peace and health. Nowadays what happens means, if you want, if your mother says to bring something, you will ask your mother, so give me bicycle. Otherwise what do you say? Give me money, then only I will go and bring those things. So these all are the things is that modern days and ancient days there is a difference. All this made one of the witches furious. She suggested that all the witches should come together to prepare a potion. One who drinks it could lose the desire to live. So that night all the witches gathered in the forest. They all needed to put all their energy to make the potion, which would have a powerful spell on the people. During the collection of energy, one of the witches made a mistake in uttering the words. As a result, there was a big explosion. It was so big that it completely destroyed the forest. So in the second paragraph here, author is explaining to us, he describes us, so how our taste it changed and why, what is the reason for our change, what is the reason for our behavior, that is all described in the second paragraph. Let us know. All this made one of the witches furious. So among the witches, among the bad and evil power, so one of the witches, she saw that people are very happy, people are leading their healthy life, joyful life, so she becomes very furious, very angry. Then what she does, let us see. She suggested that all the witches should come together to prepare a potion. So she suggested, she gives an idea to all the witches and she says that let us come together, let us prepare a potion. So by drinking that potion, so that man will become unhappy. One who drinks it would lose the desire to live. See, she says that the one who drinks, a person if he drinks that potion, then he will lose his desire, then he don't want to wish to lead a life. So he leaves his desire. So that night all the witches gathered in the forest. So now the meeting is arranged in the forest. All the bad evil powers, so all the witches, they came in contact and they started their meeting in the forest. They all needed to put all their energy to make the potion. So now what is the work for those witches? They have to come together and now they have to give their power to make that energy, to make that potion, which would have a powerful spell on people. So by giving their energy to that potion, so that potion will be powerful and it will be a spell on the people, it will be a magic on the people, so they don't want to live, they don't desire to live. During the collection of energy, one of the witches made a mistake in uttering the words. So now what happens means, when everyone is there, you have seen that when there is a magic, then they have to use some words to do that magic. In the same way, here some witches, so they gathered and they started to utter some words, utter magical words. But during that time, what happens means, one of the witches, so she uttered some wrong words. She made a mistake in uttering words. Then what is the result? What had happened? Let us see. As a result, there was a big explosion. So as a result, when she made a mistake in uttering the words, then there was a big explosion. There was a big blast, a huge blast. What is the result of that blast? Let us see. It was so big that it completely destroyed the forest. So the blast, the explosion was so big, so huge that forest was completely destroyed. Then what happens? Let us see. As a result, it turned all the witches into tiny creatures like germs. They were trapped in liquid in a small bottle which was lying in a swamp. One day, a little boy found this bottle thinking it contained a nice new drink. He swallowed it fully. The germ, like witches, took advantage of this situation. Though they could not physically harm anyone, they learned to change the boy's likes and dislikes. In a few days, a funny feeling started in the boy's mouth. He no longer wanted to eat vegetables, fruits, and good food. All he wanted to do was to ask for pizza, burger and wait for them at home. He wasted his time waiting for food from hotels or restaurants and watching television, eating ice cream and chips. So again now here in the third paragraph it is described that how our modern days are. So how we became lazy, that is described. Let us see. As a result, it turned all the witches into tiny creatures like germs. What is the result of their potion? So there was big explosion, forest was destroyed and that is the result now. So as a result of that blast, all the witches, so they turned into tiny small germs. They were trapped in liquid in a small bottle which was lying in a swamp. So all the witches who were there, who turned now as germs, so they are trapped, they are caught in a bottle and that bottle was lying in a swamp. One day a little boy found this bottle. So one day what happens means a little boy, so he saw that bottle, he found that bottle and he took that bottle. Thinking it contained a nice new drink, he swallowed it fully. See, thinking that drink, that liquid, so that bottle which contains liquid is a nice and new drink. Let me drink this. So he drank that, he swallowed that drink. The germs like witches took advantage of this situation. So the germs, now witches are turned into germs. So they took advantage of this situation. Though they could not physically harm anyone, they learned to change the boys' likes and dislikes. So now physically they can't disturb, they can't harm people, they can't harm boy. So now what they made an idea that so they can move, they can change likes and dislikes of that boy and they started to change his likes and dislikes. Then how they changed, let us see. In a few days a funny feeling started in the boy's mouth. So in few days after drinking that liquid, after drinking that juice, so germs started reaction and reacting in the body of boy and so now they started a funny feeling in the mouth of that boy. He no longer wanted to eat vegetables, fruits and good food. Now that boy, he don't want to eat food which is full of vitamin, so he don't want to eat fruits and vegetables. All he wanted to do was to ask for pizza, burger and wait for them at home. So instead of eating fruits and vegetables, instead of eating healthy food, now he waited for pizza and burger. Home delivery is there. So he waited at home that so the delivery of pizza will be there, the delivery of burger will be there and I can eat. So like this the like of that boy it changed. He wasted his time waiting for food from hotels or restaurants and watching TV, eating ice cream and chips. See, now how he wasted his time? He wasted his time waiting for food from hotels and restaurants. He is watching television and when he is watching television, he tries to eat, he eats that chips and ice cream. Like this, all he changed. So there is a change of food. There is a change of like and dislike in that boy. So now he turned from a healthy boy to unhealthy boy. Now he don't want to eat a food which is full of health. He wanted to eat all the food which is full of junk food, what we can say. So which is unhealthy. And he wasted his time waiting for home delivery, waiting for food from restaurants and hotels and watching TV. Like this he wasted his time. Then what happens next? Let us see. No longer did he enjoy fruits and vegetables. He did not feel like walking, running and playing with his friends. Eventually, he stopped going out of the house and was sitting or lying about. He started feeling ill. Before long he had no desire to do anything. The evil potion had worked, and the worst thing of all was that the witches had learned to jump from one person to another like virus. They managed to turn the effect of the potion into one of the worst diseases, the disease of wasting life. So here in the next paragraph, in the fourth paragraph, it is explained that how that boy became lazy boy. So how he now don't want to become an active boy. Then here it is explained that there is a disease because of the witches. There is a disease. That disease is called as wasting of life. So let us know, no longer did he enjoy fruits and vegetables. So no longer that boy took interest in eating fruits and vegetables. He only has interest to eat pizza, burger and whatever the food is prepared in hotels and restaurants. He did not feel like walking, running and playing with his friends. So now he don't want to walk, now he don't want to run and now he don't want to play with his friends. Why? Because nowadays there is phone. So that's why everyone passes their time playing the games which are in phones rather than playing outside, rather than playing in the field or ground. Eventually, he stopped going out of the house and was sitting or lying about. So now he stopped. Finally, what happens means he stopped going out of the house. Every time he used to be in his house, every time he used to be in his room, wasting his time either by sitting or by lying. He started feeling ill. So being at home, so locked in a room, so he started feeling ill. Before long he had no desire to do anything. So now there is no desire to do anything. So he thinks that what to do now? Nothing is there. He started feeling ill. Before long he had no desire to do anything. The evil potion had worked, and the worst thing of all was that the witches had learned to jump from one person to another like virus. So now what happens means, so the evil potion, whatever the idea of the witches, it was there, it worked because that boy, he don't want to do anything. He don't has a desire to do anything. So their idea is now successful. And another one important thing is that, so the germs, those witches, so now they can jump from one person to another person like virus. So they can attack one person to another person. So they can make another person also lose his desire to lead a healthy life. They managed to turn the effect of the potion into one of the worst diseases, the disease of wasting life. So whatever the potion they prepared, so it turned into effective potion, because by that portion, so that boy, he don't want to live his life, he don't has a desire to lead a healthy life. So that's how here the disease is examined. The disease is examined by Dr. Fit and Healthy in the next paragraph. So for that disease they have given a name, the disease of wasting life. You are wasting your life being at home, just waiting for the food which will be from restaurants and hotels, and you don't want to play anything outside, you don't want to exercise. So this is all wasting of life. So next paragraph, it was long while before, with the help of his microscope, Dr. Fit and Healthy discovered that the little witches were causing this disease. There were no vaccines or cough mixtures to get rid of them. The doctor found out that the witches could not tolerate joy and good health. It turned out that the best cure was to make a strong effort to live a healthy, joyful and happy life. When a person became healthy, the witches had to leave that body as soon as they could. Reading off on a sneeze. So here, now in the next paragraph, more interesting thing is there. So here is a doctor, he comes and he examines a disease, and he comes to know that why this disease is there. So why it is spreading, what is the reason for this disease? He found that. Let us know that it was a long while before. With the help of his microscope, Dr. Fit and Healthy discovered that the little witches were causing this disease. So, long time before. So, what happens means that Dr. Fit and Healthy, with his microscope, he saw that, so this disease is caused by witches. This disease is caused by germs. There were no vaccines or cough mixtures to get rid of them. So, there were no vaccines or cough to get rid of that disease. Then, how can we get rid of that disease? The doctor found out that the witches could not tolerate joy and good health. See, now that doctor, he finds that, yes, so all these witches are there, the germs, they cannot tolerate the joy and good health of a boy. So, this is the best remedy, this is the best medicine, he thinks. It turned out that the best cure was to make a strong effort to live a healthy, joyful and happy life. So, to cure that disease, only one thing we can do, that we can make efforts, we can lead a happy and joyful life and healthy life. When a person became healthy, the witches had to leave that body as soon as they could, reading off on a sneeze. So, when a person becomes healthy at that time, so these witches has to leave that body. These witches have to leave the body of that boy and that boy will be cured. How can they leave that body? Yes, by sneeze. Just from a sneeze, all these witches will be out of that body. Next, from then on, the best remedy was neither pills nor injections, but just a little bit of effort to eat some fruits and vegetables and to do some exercises. Whoever came to see Dr. Fit and Healthy and took his advice end up totally well, being cured of the wasting life disease. See, now at the end of the lesson, so here what happens, how the story comes to an end, whether that boy is he cured or not is explained here. From then on, the best remedy was neither pills nor injections, but just a little bit effort to eat some fruits and vegetables and to do some exercise. So, the best way to recover from that disease is to eat good food, to eat vegetables and fruits and to do some exercise. Then only that disease can be cured. Whoever came to see Dr. Fit and Healthy and took his advice end up totally well, being cured of the wasting life disease. So, whoever patient came to Dr. Fit and Healthy to take his advice, then he gave advice that if you want to remove these germs, if you want to get rid of these germs, then you have to lead a life which is full of health and joy. You have to do some exercise, you have to eat good food, you have to eat vegetables and fruits, and like this everyone was cured and they get rid of the wasting life disease. The wasting life disease is cured. So, in our today's class, we have learnt that in this lesson, so there is characters like boy and then witches are there, then Dr. Fit and Healthy. So, he is there. What happens means, one day that boy, so all the witches, first earlier here Pedro Pablo, he explains that earlier, so in ancient days everyone was healthy, so they used to eat food, fruits and vegetables, but in modern days now what we eat, pizzas, burger, so because of this we are unhealthy. And then he says that earlier people used to walk, people used to run, people used to hop, but nowadays we are not doing that. We are sitting and we are watching TV, or we are waiting for home deliveries from restaurants and hotels. So this is how he explains. Then the witches, they gather, and among them one of the witches, she says that we have to prepare a portion so that we can make people to get rid of their life. We can make the people to leave their desire to live. So this is how the potion was prepared. When potion was going on, then at that time what happens means, one of the witches, she uttered, she mistaked, and then that potion it changed into a blast, and because of the blast forest was now on fire and it destroyed. So as a result, so those witches, they turned into tiny germs, and one boy, so those tiny germs, those witches were caught in a liquid bottle, and then that boy, so he drank that liquid, and now after drinking that liquid, so he felt some funny feeling in his mouth, and now he don't desire to eat food and vegetables, just he wants to eat pizza, burger, chips, ice cream. And then every time he used to be at home, sitting and watching TV and laying. So this is all about that boy. He becomes lazy, and that disease is called as the disease of wasting life. Then there a doctor comes named as Dr. Fit and Healthy, and he examines with his microscope. He says that the reason for the disease is these witches, and if we want to get rid of these witches, then we have to eat healthy food, we have to eat fruits and vegetables, then only, and after doing exercise, becoming healthy, then only we can get rid of these witches. So this is how he cures that boy. So at the end of the lesson, we come to know, we studied the moral of the story. We can say that if we want to lead a healthy life, we have to eat healthy food, we have to eat fruits, vegetables, and do some exercises. So today's key points: a potion prepared by the witches, a boy swallowed the drink, funny feelings in the boy's mouth, the disease of wasting life, Dr. Fit and Healthy, some efforts to cure the disease. So I hope you understood the lesson. So if there are any questions, you may ask me. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.